Okay, so the first element that I choose from Dale's count of experiences is direct, purposeful experiences. These are first-hand experiences which serve as the foundation of our learning. We build up our reservoir of meaningful information and ideas through seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling. In the context of the teaching-learning process, it is learning by doing. These are our concrete and first-hand experiences that make up the foundation of our learning. These are the rich experiences that our senses bring, from which we construct the ideas, the concepts, the generalizations that gives meaning and order to our lives. They are sensory experiences. These direct activities may be preparing meals, making a piece of furniture, doing PowerPoint presentation, performing a laboratory experiment, delivering a speech, or taking a trip. For today's video, we will be having an experiment, and the materials that we are going to use are plate, or you can also use a shallow bowl. We also need water, dishwashing soap, and of course a paper. Fill the plate or bowl with the right amount of water. Sprinkle the paper evenly across the surface of the water. Now stick your clean finger without soap in the water and observe. Then stick your finger with a small amount of dish soap and observe what will happen. So, the second element that I choose from Dale's count of experiences is still pictures, recordings, radio. These are visual and auditory devices which may be used by an individual or a group, and is very helpful to those who have difficulties in reading and who cannot deal with the motion or pace of a real event or television. Okay class, we have already discussed last time the levels of organization, and those are cell, tissue, organ system, and organisms. You already know that cell is the basic unit of structure and functions of all living things, and today we're going to know the parts of plant and animal cell. Class, kindly look at the illustration on the board for your reference and for you to picture out what plant and animal cells look like. Now I have here a recording, so I wanted you to listen carefully, for this recording talks about the parts of animal and plant cell. Are we good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The parts of plant and animal cell. The parts of plant cell include cell wall, plasma membrane, Golgi body, chloroplast, mitochondrion, cytoplasm, lysosome, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, and large vacuole. Meanwhile, the parts of animal cell include centrioles, plasma membrane, Golgi body, mitochondrion, cytoplasm, lysosome, smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, nucleus, and small vacuole or no vacuole at all. Each part has its functions. Cell walls. Cell walls are not found in an animal cell. It is made of stiff material that forms the outermost part of a plant cell. It gives shape and protection to them. Chloroplasts. Chloroplast is a green pigment that contains organelles found only in plant cell. Centrioles. Centrioles are organelles that is found only in animal cell that functions during cell division. Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of jelly-like substance which all other parts of the cells are located. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum has no attached ribosomes and involves in manufacturing of fat and lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum has attached ribosomes that manufacture proteins. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies sort, modify, package, and distribute co-products to where they are needed. Lysosomes. Lysosome is a sac-like cellular organelle that contains powerful enzymes that digest food particles in the cell. Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion convert energy in food to form usable to the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane encloses the cell and separates what's the inside of the cell from its environment. Ribosome. Ribosome involved in manufacturing of proteins. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are a cavity or vesicle that stores nutrients in increasing size during cell division. So the third element that I choose from Dale's kind of experiences is visual symbols. Visual symbols includes drawings, cartoons, strip drawings, diagrams, formulas, charts, graphs, maps, and globes for the sake of mastery and clarity. These are no longer realistic reproduction of physical things, for these are highly abstract representations. So, we had just discussed the parts of animal and plant cells so as their functions. Now I will be showing you a diagram, a Venn diagram specifically. Now through this diagram you can clearly see the organelles that are present and organelles that are absent in the given type of cell. Based on the discussion we had earlier, I want you also to study this diagram because we will be having a short quiz later on. And I will be giving you 5 minutes to analyze and review the recently discussed topic. Are we clear? Yes. Okay. So the fourth element that I choose from Dale's kind of experiences is television and motion pictures. Television and motion can reconstruct the reality of the past so effectively that we are made to feel we are there. The unique value of the messages communicated by film and television lies in their feeling of realism, their emphasis on persons and personality, their organized presentation, and their ability to select, dramatize, highlight, and clarify. As part of an activity, I will show you a video and I want you to observe and evaluate. Am I understood? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay class, so based on the animation that I have shown you, I want you to write your observation and evaluation on a whole sheet of paper. Am I understood? Yes, no. Alright. So the fifth element that I choose from Dale's kind of experiences is contrived experiences. In here, we make use of our representative models or mock-ups of reality for practical reasons and so that we can make the real life accessible to the students' perceptions and understanding. These are edited copies of reality and are used as substitutes for real things when it is not practical or not possible to bring or do the real things in the classroom. These contrived experiences are designed to stimulate the real life situations. We used models, mock-ups, specimen and objects to overcome limitations of space and time, to edit reality for us to be able to focus on parts or process of a system that we intend to study, to overcome difficulties of size, to understand the accessible and help the learners understand abstractions.